Hi, I'm Lucas, and today we're going to be making chicken thighs on the pit barrel smoker.
With the pit barrel, you want to start out with a full basket of coals at the bottom and then take them out and put them in your chimney. Just fill the chimney up. Usually it's about a quarter of the basket of coals is what you use. This pit barrel cooker gives off the best smoke flavor by far. There. That's about a quarter. We'll go ahead and put that inside the pit barrel. There. I have 2 tumbleweeds started at the bottom there. Work great for starting the charcoal in the chimney. Now we'll just wait and go prep the chicken. Alright, today's recipe is going to be really super simple, fast. 1 thing of olive oil, boneless chicken thighs, and today we're using Chicken in a Barrel's Big Mike's Off the Hook barbecue rub. This stuff comes from Kauai. This stuff is amazing. Really, really great flavor. Use it on ribs, chicken, beef, everything. It's amazing stuff. So just going to take the chicken, throw it in with some olive oil, and throw our seasonings on. Very simple. Of them. A little bit of olive oil. Mix that up good just to get the oil on everything. One clean hand for the seasoning. Good way to meal prep for the week. Once I get them on the grate, I can throw some extra seasoning on. This just gives a good base coat right now. You can use any seasoning you want. Some people just use salt and pepper or regular just seasoning for chicken. But I like this stuff. It goes great on everything. There. Now we'll go ahead and take this out to the pit barrel and get it going. Alright, looks like these are ashed over enough. I'm going to go ahead and get those in there. Now today's wood that I'm using is a chunk of Kiave wood. That also comes from Kauai. Go ahead and throw that in there. Alright, let's go ahead and lay these out now. 13 of them in here. Shouldn't take long for these things to smoke up at all. Chicken thighs, especially when they're boneless, smoke very fast. Thinking maybe an hour and 15 minutes or so, that should be done. Well, you can smell that Chiave wood in there. There, all set. Get the rebar in there and get the lid on it. Alright, we will check on them in 1 hour. Let's see where we're sitting for temp. 172, 78, and 88. Oh yeah, these are done. They are ready to come off.
Looking forward to having some of these for dinner tonight and lunch for a week. There we go. Those are going to taste good.
There they are. All 13 pieces. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Pretty soon it's our favorite time of the video, the taste test. Let's see how this looks. Oh, perfect. See all the juice on the pan there. Very juicy. It's going to be very good. Good dinner tonight and very good lunch throughout the week.
Now it's time for the taste test. That's a good flavor to that chicken, and you can see all the juice coming out from there. Yeah, you fit right now.
Oh.
You're in between Batman and Abraham Lincoln.
Alright, now is my favorite time too. My taste test. Very good. Perfect smoked flavor on that. It's going to be awesome. The boys are going to love that for dinner tonight. This is John with Jurassic Pork. If you love the channel, please like, subscribe, and share. We're just starting it out and we're having a lot of fun doing it. Thank you and God bless.